All right, we're back with example 3. So we're going to be identifying angle pairs and transversal. So we're supposed to identify the transversal and classify each angle pair. So now we're dealing with this particular graph, and it is a lot more complicated than the graphs that we were dealing with before. So let's first talk about angle 1 and angle 3. So with angle 1 and angle 3, you see here, this actually ends up being our transversal, okay? And so this is our transversal right here. So what we're looking at is we're saying, okay, how are 1 and 3? So they're on the same side, okay, so that of this transversal, that means it's not alternate interior, it's not alternate exterior. So basically our two options for 1 and 3 are corresponding angles and same side interior angles. Well, they're not, this would be the inside in between, and they're not in the inside. If you look here, the angle 1 is on the left side of this line, and angle 3 is on the left side of this line. So 1 and 3 actually end up being corresponding angles. Okay? Let's look at 2 and 6. So 2 and 6, that means we have a new transversal. So I'm just going to say, I'm going to use this orange here. And this is the transversal that we're looking at now, okay? And it cuts between these lines here. So 2 and 6, if you look at these two lines, they're both on the interior of these two lines, right? They're on the inside of these two lines. So we're dealing with interior angles, and they're at alternate sides of this transversal. So 2 and 6 would be alternate interior angles. So I'm just going to say alternate interior angles. All right. And lastly, we have angles 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 are right here, and we have a new transversal. So this line right here now becomes our transversal, and it cuts through 1, 2 lines. So these are the two lines it cuts. If you see here, the inside of those two lines would be in here, right? This would be the inside, and 4 and 6 are on the outside. They're exterior angles on different sides of this transversal. So these 4 and 6 would be alternate exterior angles. So alternate, I'm just going to say that, alternate interior, no, I'm sorry, alternate exterior angles. Okay? Perfect. So now it's your turn to check it out for example 3. Where's my friend? Here is the pause dragon, and what you need to do is identify the transversal and classify the angle pair, angle 2 and angle 5 in this particular diagram. So go ahead and figure that out. Pause. When you get done, press play, and we'll talk about it. All right, so to complete this problem, the first thing I'm going to do is figure out, well, what are 2 and 5? So 2 and 5 are here, and this is really the transversal that is, this line intersects that line and this line. So it intersects 2 lines. So this is our transversal. And if you look, so we're gonna, what does it say? It says identify the transversal. So the transversal first, I'm gonna say transversal equals line in. Okay, so identify the transversal, that was the first part. And then classify the angle pair 2 and 5. So if you see, angles 2 and 5 are both on the inside of these two lines. So that means they're both interior angles, and they're on the same side of the transversal. So that makes them same side interior angles. All right, so if you got both of those things right, awesome job. That's it for lesson 1, and I will see you back for lesson 2. All right, bye.